What is up, guys? Danny this side. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up the Amazon household. So first, you need to head over to the Amazon's website, and then you need to log in with your Amazon's email, password, and other credentials. After that, you need to hover to this accounts and list section here on the right side, and then you need to click on your account. After that, here you will see some of the options. And when you scroll a bit down here on the right side, you will see Manage your Amazon Family. So click on that. And after clicking on that here, you will see all the members in your Amazon family. So you can just simply click on New. And then if you want to add an adult, you can click on Add Adult. Or if you want to add a child, you can click on Add Child. After that, when you click, you need to create a profile in your account. So click on Create and then enter their profile name. After entering their profile name, click on Create. And then, as you can see, the profile has been created. So this is how you can manage your household in Amazon. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.